Today, let's see how to create a double exposure effect in Canva. For this, bring an image to the page. Now select a street or city image. Make sure that the two images are of same resolution. Hereafter, go to Apps. Search for Blend Image. Now select the city image as bottom layer and model image as top layer. In blend mode, select Darken. Now go to Adjust Top Layer. Here, carefully adjust the scale, horizontal and vertical effects, so that we get our desired blend effect. Once done, add to design. Now bring it to next page and remove its background. Here, bring the city image as background image. Go to Edits and choose Blur. Now increase the blur intensity for the background image. Like this, we have the final double exposure effect ready. Subscribe to the channel for more design tips.